Imagine a kitchen where every meal is a masterpiece, crispy, golden, and cooked to perfection without the hassle of juggling multiple appliances. This Nuwave Bravo Pro Smart 21-quart toaster oven, air fryer combo in mint green is here to make that dream a reality. This isn't just another countertop gadget. It's a game changer that combines cutting-edge technology, versatility, and style to revolutionize your cooking experience. Whether you're a busy parent, a culinary enthusiast, or someone craving healthier meals without sacrificing flavor, this 1800-watt powerhouse is designed to deliver. Why the Nuwave Bravo Pro stands out. The Nuwave Bravo Pro isn't your average toaster oven or air fryer. It's a 10-in-1 culinary marvel that tackles everything from air-frying crispy fries to baking gooey pizzas and dehydrating fruit for healthy snacks. Its sleek mint green design adds a pop of modern flair to any kitchen, while its compact 21-quart capacity fits perfectly in small spaces without compromising on power. With even and quick crisp technology, a high-speed fan, and customizable settings, this appliance is engineered to save time, energy, and effort while delivering restaurant-quality results at home. What makes this smart convection oven countertop so special? It's the perfect blend of innovation and practicality. The 1800-watt system powers 5 quartz heating elements, 3 on top, 2 on bottom, for precise cooking, while the multi-layer even cooking technology ensures every dish is cooked uniformly from top to bottom. Whether you're roasting a 4-pound chicken, grilling veggies, or toasting bagels, the Bravo Pro's 10 pre-programmed presets make cooking intuitive and foolproof. Plus, its PFAS-free construction and energy-efficient design align with eco-conscious values, making it a guilt-free addition to your kitchen. Solving common cooking frustrations. Let's face it, cooking can be a chore. Unevenly cooked meals, long preheating times, and cluttered countertops are enough to make anyone dread mealtime. The Nuwave Bravo Pro eliminates these pain points with surgical precision. Its high-speed fan delivers 100% faster cooking speeds compared to traditional ovens, meaning you can whip up crispy wings or a perfectly baked pizza in a fraction of the time. The customizable top and bottom heater settings, adjustable from 0 to 100%, let you fine-tune heat distribution, set the bottom heaters to 70% and top to 30% for a pizza with a crunchy crust and melty cheese. No more soggy bottoms or overcooked tops. Key features and benefits. 10 versatile cooking functions. Air fry, grill, bake, reheat, bagel, pizza, toast, broil, waffle, and dehydrate. From breakfast to dinner, this appliance does it all. High-speed fan for quicker cooking. The 2025 fan design cooks food 100% faster, delivering crispy, golden results without the wait. Customizable heating zones. Adjust top and bottom heaters 0 to 100% and fan speeds 0 to 3 for tailored cooking. Perfect for everything from thick crust pizzas to tender roasts. Multi-layer. Even cooking. Maintain 0 to 1 degree Fahrenheit temperature consistency across layers, ensuring uniform results for multi-tray cooking. Precise temperature control. Adjustable from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit in 5 degree Fahrenheit increments with a digital probe for spot-on cooking accuracy. Eco-friendly and safe. PFAS-free parts and a heat-resistant door with a cool-to-the-touch handle prioritize safety and sustainability. Easy cleanup. Non-stick parts, including the cooking rack, baking pan, and removable crumb tray, are dishwasher safe for hassle-free maintenance. Compact yet spacious. The 21-quart capacity fits a 10-inch pizza or 4-pound chicken, ideal for small kitchens or tiny homes. Who is the Nuwave Bravo Pro for? This smart air fryer toaster oven is perfect for a wide range of users. Busy families, streamline meal prep with presets and multi-layer cooking for quick, healthy dinners. Health-conscious cooks, air fry with less oil for crispy, guilt-free meals that retain flavor and nutrients. Small space dwellers. Its compact design fits tiny homes or apartments without sacrificing capacity. Culinary enthusiasts. Customizable settings and precise controls let you experiment with gourmet recipes. Final verdict: A kitchen revolution awaits. The Nuwave Bravo Pro Smart 21 quart toaster oven. Air fryer combo is more than an appliance. It's a culinary partner that empowers you to cook smarter, faster, and tastier. Whether you're air frying crispy wings, baking a perfect pizza, or dehydrating snacks, this versatile machine delivers consistent, delicious results with minimal effort. Its sleek design, eco-friendly build, and powerful features make it a worthy investment for any home cook. Ready to elevate your kitchen game? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and bring the Nuwave Bravo Pro home today. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.